Okay, welcome boys in your English. We are going to start our new unit. The unit name is Let's Measure Unit 5 and Lesson 1. The name of the Lesson 1 is Using Numbers. That is on page number 80 and 81. So today the day is Sunday and date is 25. The name of the lesson is using numbers. So in this lesson, we are going to count to 100. And when do we use numbers? We are going to discuss about it. So here are the pictures of students in the class. What they are doing. For this, we have to play the track. So I'm going to play the track. Listen carefully to the track number 54. Okay, just give me 1 minute to play the track.
Track 54.
There are a lot of shapes on this chart.
Yes, there are. There are 10 big circles and 10 little circles.
There are 10 big squares and 10 little squares. There are 10 big triangles and 10 little triangles.
There are 10 big rectangles and 10 little rectangles. There are 10 big hearts and 10 little hearts.
Okay, Carlos. Ready, steady, jump.
How far did I jump?
Just a moment. I'll measure. You jumped 52 centimeters.
How many?
52 centimeters.
Look at this clock. What time is it?
Is it 11 o'clock?
No, it isn't. Try again.
It's 10 o'clock.
So boys, we have listened to the track, and what was in the track? They were talking about this chart. So in this chart, there are 10 big circles and 10 small circles, 10 big squares and 10 small squares, 10 big triangles and 10 small triangles, 10 big rectangles and 10 small rectangles. There are 10 big stars and 10 small stars. After that, Carlos jumped. And how far did he jump? He jumped 52 centimeters far. Then the girl is asking about the time. What is the time? First, the boy says that it is 9. So she say your answer is wrong. So what is the exact time? The time is 10 a.m. So here are some of the questions. Listen down and then answer the question. How many big circles are there? There are 10 big circles. Question number A. Question number B. How far did Carlos jump? Carlos jumped 52 centimeters. Carlos jumped 52 centimeters. What time it is? It's 10 o'clock. What is the time? It's 10 o'clock. So moving on to the question number 2 on the next page. Listen, point, and say. Count in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 100. So these are numbers. We are going to write them in words. When I say write in numbers, you have to write like this. When I say write in words means using alphabets of English. Like what is the spelling of 10? T-E-N, 10. What is the spelling of 20? T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. So like this. Okay, count the shapes. Look at the chart of the shapes in big picture. There are 10 shapes in each row. How many shapes are there all together? So let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So how many shapes are there on the chart? 100. There are 100 shapes altogether. Altogether means all. Altogether means all. Point to the rows and count in tens. So we already counted in
Track 56.
20 little, 30 little fingers, 40 little, 50 little, 60 little fingers, 70 little, 80 little, 90 little fingers, 100 little fingers in the air. 10 little, 20 little, 30 little fingers, 40 little, 50 little, 60 little fingers, 70 little, 80 little, 90 little fingers, 100 little fingers in the air. Now, let's count backwards. 100 little, 90 little, 80 little fingers, 70 little, 60 little, 50 little fingers, 40 little, 30 little, 20 little fingers, 10 little fingers in the air. 100 little, 90 little, 80 little fingers, 70 little, 60 little, 50 little fingers, 40 little, 30 little, 20 little fingers, 10 little fingers in the air.
So this is question number 4. Let's discuss. We have already listened the song. There are 10 children singing this song in the big picture. Do you see them? This is on page number 1. You can see the picture. In this, what they are doing, they are. How many children have their finger in the air? So let's count how many fingers there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 children have their fingers in the air. So question number 4, under question number 4, write 5 children have their fingers in the air. Question number 4, under question number 4, write 5 children. Question number 2, how many fingers are there in the air all together? All together means all of them. So there are 50 fingers in the air. Because each children has 10 fingers. So 5 of them are raising up their fingers. So there are 50 fingers in the air. Okay, let's read the poem that we heard in the audio track. 10 little, 20 little, 30 little fingers, 40 little, 50 little, 60 little fingers, 70 little, 80 little, 90 little fingers, 100 little fingers in the air, 10 little, 90 little, 8 little fingers. Now what we are going to do, we are going to count them backwards. 100 little, 90 little, 80 little fingers, 70 little, 50, 60 little, 50 little fingers, 40 little, 30 little, 20 little fingers, and in the end we have 10 little fingers. In the end, we are going to write in our English notebooks the important vocabulary from this lesson, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100.